Welcome to another fascinating episode of Did You Know? Today we're embarking on a journey to explore a remarkable aspect of Islam that might surprise many. Did you know that Muslims believe in Jesus? Yes, you heard it right. This episode will shed light on the unique perspective of Islam regarding the significance of Jesus in their faith. In the vast and diverse world of religion, an incredible bridge exists between Islam and Christianity, the revered figure of Jesus known as Isa in Arabic. In Islam, Jesus is recognized as one of the prophets sent by God, and his story is an integral part of the Quran, the holy book of Islam. Muslims believe that he was born to the Virgin Mary through a miraculous birth. Known as Isa in Arabic, Jesus is a revered figure in the Muslim faith, seen as a messenger bearing divine revelations and teachings. His mission? To guide humanity on a path of righteousness and virtue. Contrary to common misconceptions, the world of Islam holds Jesus in high esteem, acknowledging his significant role and contributions. However, it's not all identical to the Christian narrative. While both faiths revere Jesus, the theological details vary significantly. In the Islamic tradition, Jesus is a prophet, not the Son of God, and the concept of Trinity is non-existent. These distinctions, although subtle, are crucial in understanding the diverse perspectives within different faiths. Muslims do not believe in the concept of the Trinity or that Jesus is the Son of God. They reject the crucifixion of Jesus and believe that he was not crucified, but rather that it was made to appear so. According to Islamic tradition, Jesus was raised to heaven and will return in the future. Now let's delve deeper into these differences. While Christianity sees Jesus as the Son of God, a part of the Holy Trinity, Islam views Jesus or Isa as a prophet, a man of high moral standing and a messenger of God. About his fate, Christianity posits that Jesus was crucified, died for humanity's sins, and later resurrected. On the other hand, Islam teaches that Jesus was not crucified. Instead, it appeared so, and he was taken up to heaven by God and will one day return to earth. So, in this brief exploration, we've uncovered the profound respect that Muslims have for Jesus as a prophet and a significant figure in their faith. It's a testament to the rich tapestry of religious beliefs that exist in our world. If this fact piqued your curiosity, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more enlightening content. Share this video with your friends to encourage discussions about the diverse perspectives within different faiths. Your engagement helps us continue this journey of discovery and understanding. If you have insights or suggestions for future topics, we'd love to read them in the comments. Remember, learning is a shared journey. Thank you for being part of our inquisitive and open-minded community. Stay tuned for more enlightening facts and intriguing discoveries. See you in the next episode.